If you've ever wondered how to put your Cash App money on Apple Pay, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in a simple, step-by-step way. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss a single step and can start using your money instantly with Apple Pay. First, open your Cash App and tap your balance in the lower left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the option to move your money. Next, tap Cash Out, choose how much you want to transfer, and then select your deposit speed. If you want the money to be available quickly, choose Instant Deposit. Now, just keep in mind there's a small fee of about 0.5% to 1.75%. Standard deposit is free, but it can take 1 to 3 business days. Once you confirm, your money will be sent to your bank account. Now, head over to your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Make sure the debit card saved in your wallet is the same one connected to your Cash App bank account. If it's not already there, add it before moving forward. Tap on your Apple Cash card, then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Add Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep in mind the minimum is $10. Then tap Add. Finally, select the correct debit card if you have multiple cards and complete the transfer using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Within seconds, your Cash App money will appear in Apple Pay, ready to use anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. And that's it. You've just learned the easiest way to move money from Cash App to Apple Pay. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick how-tos. And if you want more tips for making the most out of Cash App, check the description below for extra resources.